to space. This is very good.
But if people agree with each other, not just like the government, so we can do one thing. Once they came back for their second visit, I will do my best to have an appointment with them, just to get the idea, your consumption of water, how many gallons are they going to recycle.
No.
Because right now there are existing clients, so we can have.
What is my intention? If they will provide us the initial proposal of 50 or 100 cubic meter recycling treatment plant for the laundry water, because with that we can penetrate in the sector. There is one combined laundry for all the hospitals. They are collecting all the laundries from the entire from the entire hospital. There is one combined laundry, and the consumption of water is there. Actually, physically the size of these particles kind of like calcite, calcium, and the slime scales, that is very fine. So we cannot catch that with any filtration, any sediment filters.
Essendo tanto piccolo non riescono a prenderla con I filtri.
Yeah, because in filtration we have the size up to 1 micron normally available, the standard sizes. So here we have to.
This is the size, the new size.
Yeah.
Certification. This is a 50 meter.
So
it's possible to.
Yes, then we can catch.
Exactly.
Yes, with Pura. Because it's transformed.
Yes, the small suspended solids, we have to transform that in a bigger size.
Yes, with Pura.
Compliment engineer. Oh, the first guy capito, diglielo, il primo che ha capito.
You are the first to understand how Pura works.
Sono 3 giorni che parlo, nessuno capisce.
So if the product really works, if the product really and practically works,
cioè se il prodotto lavora davvero, funziona davvero, per loro è la svolta.
So it's a good
improvement.
È un buon.
Sì.
It's really a good improvement.
Yeah, absolutely.
If it really works.
Yes.
Devo decidere.
Yeah.
Bisogna avvocato.
The lawyer.
Devo decidere con chi fare questa, perché ce ne sono tanti che vogliono provarlo. Però lui mi piace di più perché è molto tecnico, a me mi piace.
And we have to decide with who going on with the test. But he said that he really likes you because he thinks that you are really understand how product works.
Siamo sulla stessa linea, capito?
Yeah.
The same line.
See,
è tutto ripreso.
We are ISO certified as a company, as a trading, as a fabrication, service, maintenance, installation for all these activities. We are ISO certified. We had many projects by ourselves. We had a Turkey project, so that's why we know what kind of problem client can face. Practical.
Sanno quello che il cliente vuole e I problemi.
Yeah, so practically what kind of problem the client can face.
Yes.
We had that. We had experimented that.
Yes.
And we've been through that all. So that's why we know the problem of the end user.
Yes, of course. And how long does it take for the test?
See, we have to install that and we have to see the result.
Yeah,
we will stop.
Mount to mount.
No, not that.
Oh.
A week or 2 weeks, maximum 2 weeks. We will stop the chemical dosing. We have some
vogliono
plants.
stoppare l'uso delle sostanze
Chimiche, yes.
Yeah, we will try this.
E provare.
What is the capacity of this system?
Yes, 100,000 GPD, designed on 10,000 ppm.
Okay. So where it's going to be installed?
It will be fixed in the Sajja, Sharjah.
Okay.
We can add mouse also, yes, we can use mouse. Can I have one mouse? May? Can I have your mouse, please?